So I'm back out here at my normal spot that I normally do my testing at, but because it's windy, I am going to be doing it a little bit different of a spot out here. I'm kind of surrounded by trees, a little bit of a hill, because I want to try out that that little 2-inch that I built, the Dung Beetle or whatever it's called. It's a pretty fun little quad. I got to test it out a little bit the other day with the 4-bladed props. But I want to do a full-on test where I'm outdoors, not indoors like I was there. Also, I do have to show you something here. Check this out. All right. That, if you can see it, there we go. Hold on. So, it's almost May, and it's literally 32 degrees out right now. Ugh, I hate this state. Alright, so it flew very well actually. Not sure why it's like immediately just my batteries are just dropping straight to from 4.2, 4.1 straight to like 3.6 as soon as I put it up in the air. Not sure. What did I get here? Looks like about 2.5 minutes of flight with the Go2. Yeah, I don't know. Might have to go with a little bit bigger of a battery. Okay, so now I'm going from a 450 mAh to a 720. So, not sure what's going to happen with this, but it might be too heavy. Let's find out though. gotta say, the 720 battery is it. That's where it's at. The little thing is a beast. What an absolute blast of a little quad. This thing is fun as shit. You know, I didn't really want to do too many tricks with it yet because I'm still just trying to learn the ins and outs of it. But holy shit, that is a fun little quad to fly. And on top of that, it's tiny, itty bitty. And right now I have a Go2 on it, but I also have a mount for my Naked Hero 8. Naked Hero 8's probably, what, 2 grams heavier, but I think with the GoPro style mount with the plastic bolt or the metal bolt with all that crap, I think it's significantly heavier. But yeah, I'm gonna try it with the GoPro Hero 8 too. Not today. That's for the next time. And I'll see you then.